how you can cancel your Amazon order. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up a web browser and just go to your amazon.com. Now make sure that you logged in. Now after you've logged in, you can just order anything if you have not ordered yet, or you can just go to your orders by just hovering around here and going to orders here, or by directly going to orders right here. Now go to your orders, and I don't have any orders right now, but if you have it, you will have a section right here that shows the list of your items. Now right there, around here, you will see an option to cancel and order. But if you don't have that and you cannot cancel the order since it's already been delivered or already been shipped, what you can do is you can just wait for your delivery guy to call you, and you can just receive the product and just return it back. But if you have an option right here that says you can edit the order, just tap on edit order and you'll be redirected to another page where you can just select the items and cancel it. So that is how you cancel an order in your Amazon, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.